Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take screenshot in Google Chrome in incognito mode. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Chrome browser. And first step you simply need to do is to search Chrome double colon slash flags. Let me okay, and you need to hit enter. Okay, and here you need to search for incognito screenshots. Okay, and here you can see it is default, and now you can do it enabled. Okay, then you simply need to relaunch. Okay, and open incognito mode and search here anything. So I'm going to search here anything random, and now you need to try to take a screenshot. And now you are able to take a screenshot. So here you can see that screenshot is now saved. Click on that. Okay. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.